Okay, so you gotta make a backdrop out of PVC pipe. Okay, anyway, 3/4 inch or 3/4 inch, 3 of them, 10-foot long, and then 2 the T pieces. Or no, is it 2 or 4? No, it's 4 the T pieces. Got a whole bag. 4 end caps. I didn't mean to flick you off. 4 end caps. And 2 elbow pieces. Hopefully we don't have to come back for more. And shout out to Lowe's. The guy was helpful, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure y'all supposed to cut stuff for free. And my last name is Lowe's, so it's basically I own the establishment. But whatever. Another bag in the back. So the PVC pipe and stuff was around $15. The fabric was $8 because I got 2 yards, and it was $6 a yard. I got 2 and it was 30% off, and it came to around like $8-9. So in all, this is way cheaper than buying one off of Amazon. Oh, we're like Bob the Builders. But it's Bobette.
Bobbiana the Builder. I don't know, bud.
Yeah. I'm using a saw and a sanding block. This is from Lowe's. It comes like with this thing too. These the whole pieces. I'm not using it. Tape measurer. Came in this kit. This is from Lowe's. Ooh, but you can buy one separate. You don't have to get this big one. This one, my mom got me this one, this little one too. And a Sharpie to mark pipes. And then these are measurings I'm doing. They're 10 foot, 3/4 of an inch, 10 feet long, 3/4 in width. We're using 4 end caps. And then 4 T pieces. So I'm just gonna go on the 2 elbow pieces. It's gonna go on the top. And I'm not gluing anything, so this can come apart. I can probably travel with it. And then fabric from Hobby Lobby. They'll act as a backdrop. And like I said, it was discounted as well. So go from the end. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Right there. And then the 4 feet will come from the 6 feet. Does that look right?
Yes.
This is the 5 foot to 6 foot, which will make those the 4 feet I need. This is taking so long. I gotta do this 2 more times. Ow! I promise I'll vacuum later because it didn't clean up all the stuff. But now we're just gonna sand the edges to make it a little bit more crisper. So mark both at 3 feet. Then I'm gonna use the T-piece and go Okay, so now we have to solve this one at the 3 feet mark instead of putting this on the 3 feet mark, and put one on each side because this doesn't go down it. I don't know if I said it before, but went to Lowe's and they're supposed to be able to cut this stuff for you or even cut wood for you because I made my headboard and they said the same thing. My mom told me to just go to the bag, get it cut, whatever. So I go in there with Jessica and we get the pipe or whatever and we go to the back and we see this gentleman back there and I was like, do y'all cut these here or whatever? And he said, yeah, just go over to the plumbing section and the guy over the center will help you. So we go over there, there's nobody over there, so we're waiting. So I see a man running around. I was like, oh, he must be the one for this section. Because there's another customer there and she just looked a little irritated. So she actually left and she went to go get him and then he came later on and helped us. And no, the guy who told us originally to go to that section came over and was like, he was not over here, I'll get him for you. So he went, he got him for us, and he was like, what can I help you with? And he was joking, saying that he's gonna charge us $10. And we were like, oh, ha ha ha. I was like, really? He was like, the more the other guy talks, the more I'm gonna charge you. It's 15 now. And we're like, oh, I was like, oh, I'll just do it myself. Cause it was funny, but I was getting irritated because I'm like, can you just hurry up because I'm ready to go. So then I was like, he's like, I'm really not supposed to, but I was like, if you just show me the tool, I'll take it home and I'll do it or whatever. He was like, I can't give it to you. I said, no, but y'all sell them here, right? He said, oh yeah, we sell. I said, can you show it to me? So he showed it to me. It's $15. So I'm trying to save money. When am I really gonna use another one of those? Never. Well, I don't know about never, but not for a long time. So that's why I'm using this saw. It's a little more work, but it's a lot cheaper than doing that. So now we have 4 of these 3-inch pieces. I'm gonna put the T-piece on it, measure it up, put the other pieces together, and then I'll probably have to cut the bottom pieces as well. Story time. It's a formula, but when I put up per piece, I put 4 mil because I can actually go look at formula right now. Because I don't feel like driving over to Charlotte just to look at apartments. Well, if I'm out there about to go do something, I'll go look. They're like, she moving back in? I really do feel like, you ever do this as a kid? You be like,
Yes.
finally finished the backdrop. Excuse me, it's in the background, but yeah. But the fabric I got didn't really work out. It's not big enough and it's not thick enough. I probably could use it work, but you could see this pole through the fabric. So I'm gonna actually order the actual screen from Amazon. But this is a backdrop and it was about $15 in total, not too much. So I have all the measurements that I said in this video down below. Had to switch a couple. So the measurements are actually 4 of the 3-inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 5-foot. So 1, 2, and 4 2-foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 of the slip T-pieces for a 3/4 inch pipe and 2 elbows and 4 end caps. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video on how to make a backdrop. And eventually I will be getting one, but I just want to save a little bit of money and get one for about half the price. So I will be getting, like I said, I will be getting a backdrop, probably just a white one from Amazon. They're like $10 to $15, so it's not gonna be too bad. I'll just figure out what to do with that fabric. So if you have any ideas, leave it down below. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.
Are you serious? I will give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be perfect. I don't.